So you open Paramount Plus, hit play, and boom, commercials. Let's break down exactly what's going on without any fluff. Paramount Plus didn't just add ads. They restructured the entire platform into two clear lanes. Essential plan, cheaper, includes ads. Premium plan, more expensive, no ads, plus extra content. This wasn't random. It was planned from the start. Paramount owns CBS, MTV, Nickelodeon, Comedy Central, BET, Showtime. So adding ads to Paramount Plus isn't new. It's their comfort zone. It lets them take the traditional TV model and mix it with streaming prices. Here's what actually changes with the Essential AD tier. Short commercial breaks, full access to most shows, live NFL on CBS in some regions. A lot of Paramount content comes straight from cable networks, so advertisers are already built into the business model, meaning Paramount Plus was always meant to be a hybrid of TV and streaming, not a pure no ads ever service. If you just want Nickelodeon, SpongeBob, CBS shows, South Park, or classic MTV, the Essential plan is perfect. If you want new movies, Showtime, no interruptions, and full CBS access, Premium is the better deal. And that's the real breakdown of Paramount Plus with ads. So quick, simple, and clear. If you want more no BS streaming guides, hit like and subscribe.